Does your house just feel musty? Do you feel like there's too much moisture and you just don't know where it's coming from? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at some products from BaldrTherm right here. We've got some hygrometers and thermometers. These are going to give you the power to check the temperature and also check the moisture level, and that's going to make your life easier. As you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. We're going to be taking a look at these two products from BaldrTherm right here, and these are hygrometers and thermometers, so very, very cool. Let's go ahead and open them up. We're going to start with a 3-pack right here. Go ahead and open this one up. Packaging looks great, looks very nice. Open it. One of the first things you see in the box is this user manual right here, and it even gives you the email support. So everything you need to know about setting the app up and everything is right there. Next up, we have our USB-C cable right here, and this looks like it is USB-A to USB-C, so that is included to charge everything up. We've got our little thank you sticker right here. We've got our little thank you signal. We've got a little thank you card right here, which also tells you about a 3-year warranty. And then we've also got some little lanterns for it, and then it looks like little sticky pads and stuff we can put on it, and then to label it which sensor is which, and then to squeegee it out. So very cool. This looks like our little home device right here, and from what I gather, you plug this up and then the devices connect to this, and this connects to the app. So right here is going to be really important to have this in a good place that you can connect it to your Wi-Fi. And then you get 3 of these sensors. Whoa, all 3 of these. Very, very cool. Let's just focus on taking an up close look at one of them right here. Looks like you scan to connect, so super easy. Pull this tab and that should start it up so the battery will start working. But from what I gather, you'll put these around your house or mount them, and they'll check the moisture in the air and then also the temperature. So very cool. Next up, we're going to be looking at this one right here, and both of these are solar powered, so this one is also solar powered. This one you can mount up as well, so let's open it. We've got our user manual that's included, and also that 3-year warranty right there as well. Wow, so nice. They include batteries. Not everybody sends batteries, so super awesome that you do get the free batteries for setting this up. And the device itself, right there's a little solar panel, and this will tell us dry, and this right here will tell us what the temperature and moisture levels are. So very, very cool. Easy to set up, scan to connect, can mount it right there. So we've got an on and off switch, or actually, wow, that's Celsius to Fahrenheit. Very cool right there. Well, we've unboxed them all. Let's go ahead and get them all set up and try them out. Today we're taking a look at 2 different products from BaldrTherm. First up, we have the solar Wi-Fi thermometer sensor. This is a remote monitor for room greenhouses, and it comes in a 3-pack. Fast and accurate temperature and humidity monitoring. Stay ahead of air quality changes with their hygrometer thermometer sensor. Built with a professional grade sensor for pinpoint accuracy, whether monitoring your baby's nursery, wine cellar, or plant-filled greenhouse, you can trust the readings that stay reliable day after day. Historical data and visual trends at your fingertips. Effortlessly track and export up to 2 years of temperature and humidity records via the app, so you get crystal clear trend graphs to monitor seasonal changes in your hygrometer thermometer sensor. Ideal for long-term storage rooms or indoor gardening enthusiasts. Solar powered efficiency for up to 12 months, so you can say goodbye to frequent battery swaps. With their sensor harnessing sunlight or room light for extended power, ultra low energy design, 12 months of battery life that saves time and money. Smart alerts and Wi-Fi connectivity. You can easily monitor temperature and humidity data in real time from anywhere. Get real-time updates and instant app alerts when temperature or humidity crosses your custom set points. And its compact design and easy setup and versatility placement gives you the ability to install it in seconds with a wall-mounted or tabletop option, so it's perfect for any room, closet, or even storage containers. And its sleek mini form blends seamlessly into your space. Stylish choice for any home. Next up, we got the BaldrTherm Solar Bluetooth Thermometer Humidity Monitor with a remote app control. This device is a little different. You can mount it, and this comes in a 1-pack. Precise real-time monitoring with 10-second data updates. The high-precision temperature and humidity sensor automatically updates every 10 seconds, ensuring you always receive accurate and up-to-date environmental information. You can combine that with a photovoltaic sensing system. It delivers clear readings both day and night, keeping you informed of any changes in your environment. And with 12 months of data storage and auto-sync, even
Even when the Bluetooth is offline, the device automatically stores temperature and humidity data for up to 12 months. So once the Bluetooth reconnects, it syncs the data seamlessly to the app, ensuring no important environmental data is lost. Smart alerts and comfort indicators for an ideal environment. You can set custom alert thresholds via the app to receive real-time notifications and fast warnings, ensuring your home stays within the optimal temperature and humidity range. The comfort indicator icon helps you quickly assess the current environment and make adjustments. A multi-source power supply and low power design for long battery life. It's powered by multiple light sources, including sunlight and artificial light. Combined with low power design, the device can last up to 12 months on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent battery replacements and offering an energy-efficient, eco-friendly solution. Flexible installation options for multiple environments, featuring a minimalist design that device supports both desktop placement and wall mounting. Its compact and versatile design fits seamlessly into any environment. BaldrTherm has you covered with so many different options, so you always know what's going on around you and in your house. Gotta say, this thing is awesome. Great job, guys.
This is our first time working with BaldrTherm, and I gotta say, these things are super nice, super high quality, and I can definitely see how they make your life easier. We've worked with some thermometers in the past, and we've worked with some hygrometers in the past, but we've never worked with one that combines both of them into one device. So BaldrTherm, great job. We want to give a huge shout out to BaldrTherm for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.